Why my bad bitches
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay.
Hey y'all, hey, Arikat B coming back with y'all with another video. We doing us a press on toe video because y'all know, baby, I do my own nails. I do my own everything, y'all. So we trying out these press on toes I got from Amazon. Y'all already know we're using the Model 1's gel polish. Y'all will see different views of my feet just because when I first started this video, I had tried a foot mask and it didn't start peeling until like a week later than I expected. So I had to take a little break and then come back and do the nails. I'm not gonna talk too much. You guys gonna see me do the prep. Y'all gonna see me do everything, and y'all just enjoy the video.
Been here before. Could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good, the young and poor, I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome, all I see is terrible, making us hysterical. It's got to be more sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. The fun is not, it's advertised. It's got to be more than here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern, floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
It's over, Young on the one that been calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make this right fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick of thick purge. Young on the one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause a serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn.